I'm sure you've heard the news. These cities know how to party. Let's tour the top 10 boozy cities that love their drinks. First up, Dublin, Ireland. Where else can you enjoy a pint of Guinness right from the source? Next, Prague, Czech Republic. Beer gardens galore and a tradition that dates back centuries. Copenhagen, Denmark. Known for its cozy hygge culture and strong beer game. London, England. Offers pubs, clubs and bars for every taste. Helsinki, Finland. Keeps things warm with traditional Finnish drinks even in the cold. And Berlin, Germany. Its vibrant nightlife and diverse bars are legendary. Moscow, Russia. May be freezing outside, but the vodka inside will keep you warm. Budapest, Hungary. Combines thermal baths and ruin bars for a unique drinking experience. Warsaw, Poland. Offers tradition and variety in equal measure. And finally, New Orleans, Louisiana, where Mardi Gras is just the beginning of the party. Remember, no matter where you are, drink responsibly and savor the experience. Cheers!